Looking for the perfect adults-only escape in Mexico? Let me tell you about the Reef Coco Beach, a stunning boutique resort that sits right on the pristine shores of Costa Mujeres, just north of Cancun. This place has been turning heads since its complete transformation in 2022, and after diving deep into what it offers, I can see why couples keep coming back for more. With a solid 4.5-star rating and praise flooding in from guests worldwide, this resort promises relaxed luxury without the stuffiness. Think modern Mexican design meets Caribbean paradise, where every detail is crafted for romance and relaxation. The best part: it's located away from the crowded Cancun hotel zone, giving you that exclusive feel without the chaos. Whether you're planning a honeymoon, celebrating an anniversary, or just need to unplug from reality, this resort has carved out quite a reputation. Let me walk you through everything that makes the Reef Coco Beach special, from their incredible rooms to the dining experiences, and yes, those Instagram-worthy infinity pools everyone keeps talking about. Let's start with the accommodations, because honestly, this is where the Reef Coco Beach really shines. The resort offers 182 rooms and suites, each designed with contemporary elegance and comfort in mind. Every single room comes with a king bed, though you can find select units with 2 doubles if that's your preference. The marble bathrooms are a nice touch of luxury, and every room features a private balcony or terrace where you can sip your morning coffee while watching the Caribbean waves roll in. The superior rooms are the entry-level option, but don't let that fool you. At 45 square meters, these rooms are spacious and thoughtfully designed with an open-plan layout. You'll find a comfortable sitting area, rain shower that feels absolutely amazing after a day in the sun, and a minibar that gets restocked daily with your favorite drinks and snacks. The rooms come equipped with coffee makers, safes for your valuables, air conditioning that actually works well, reliable Wi-Fi, and a 55-inch smart TV for those rare moments when you're not outside enjoying paradise. Little touches like bathrobes, slippers, and motion sensor lighting show the attention to detail. The balconies even come with hammocks, perfect for afternoon naps with ocean breezes. If you want to upgrade your experience, the deluxe ocean view rooms are 50 square meters and offer direct ocean views that will take your breath away every single morning. Some ground floor units have swim-up access, which is incredibly convenient when you want to float from your room straight into the pool. The bathrooms in these rooms feature double vanities, making morning routines with your partner much smoother. Now, for those celebrating something special, the Junior Suite oceanfront is where things get really impressive. At 65 square meters, these suites have a separate living area that gives you space to spread out. The deep soaking tub is perfect for unwinding, and they've included Nespresso machines because they know good coffee matters. Select units come with private rooftop terraces featuring hot tubs, and let me tell you, watching the sunset from your own private hot tub is the kind of memory you'll treasure forever. The panoramic oceanfront views are absolutely stunning, making these suites a top choice for honeymooners. At the top of the range, the Reef Suite is pure luxury. This 90 square meter, 2-story loft-style accommodation features an upstairs bedroom and bathroom, while downstairs you'll find a living area, kitchenette, and dining space. These suites can accommodate up to 4 adults and come with personal butler service to handle your every need. The rooftop lounge and plunge pool make these suites feel like your own private villa. Every room across all categories includes hypoallergenic bedding options, USB charging ports, hairdryers, and premium toiletries. The smart technology integration means you can control lighting and temperature easily, and the rooms are kept impeccably clean according to countless guest reviews. When it comes to dining, the Reef Coco Beach offers 5 distinct venues, all included in your stay with unlimited premium drinks. The variety might not match those massive mega-resorts, but the quality is consistently praised. El Mercado is your main buffet restaurant, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 a.m. until 11 p.m. This casual, open-air venue offers international and Mexican fusion cuisine with some real highlights. The ceviche station is fresh and delicious, with fish caught locally and prepared throughout the day. They have grilled meats cooked to order, extensive fresh salad bars, and themed nights that keep things interesting. Wednesday is Mexican night, where they really showcase regional specialties. The setting is vibrant and relaxed, with ocean views that make every meal feel special. For health-conscious travelers, Vitao is a game-changer. This venue focuses on plant-based and Mediterranean cuisine with options that are both nutritious and genuinely tasty. Their quinoa bowls are loaded with fresh vegetables and flavorful dressings. The poke bowls are Instagram-worthy and delicious, and their smoothies use fresh tropical fruits. The vegan tacos are surprisingly satisfying even for meat eaters. Vitao serves dinner from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., with snacks available from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. The green-themed dining space with colorful presentations makes healthy eating feel like a treat rather than a sacrifice. They host special wellness nights where the chef explains the nutritional benefits of each dish. Pangea takes things in a completely different direction with gourmet fusion cuisine that blends Asian and Mexican flavors. Open for dinner from 6:30 p.m. to 10 p.m., this intimate 50-seat restaurant requires reservations, which you can easily make through the resort app. The sushi rolls are fresh and creative, combining traditional Japanese techniques with Mexican ingredients like jalapeno and mango. The teppanyaki station provides entertainment along with your meal, and the lobster tacos are a must-try signature dish. The dress code is elegant casual, meaning no shorts, and the dimly lit atmosphere with edible flower garnishes makes this perfect for romantic dinners. They even offer sushi-making demonstrations where you can learn from the chef. For a more laid-back vibe, Xila Beach Club delivers exactly what you'd hope for in a beachfront restaurant. Open from noon to 10 p.m. for lunch and dinner, this is where you can literally dine with your toes in the sand. The grilled octopus is tender and perfectly seasoned, the ribeye steaks are cooked to your preference, and the seafood selection showcases the best of the Caribbean. The tropical cocktails here are strong and refreshing, perfect for sipping while watching the sunset. They host special sunset barbecues that have become legendary among returning guests, with whole fish and lobsters grilled over open flames. The casual beach atmosphere means you can come straight from the water in your swimsuit cover-up. Finally, the Sky Bar is where evenings come alive. This rooftop lounge operates from 5 p.m. to 1 a.m., serving craft cocktails and tapas. The mezcal flights are a fantastic way to explore Mexico's signature spirit, with the bartenders happy to explain the differences between regions and production methods. The ceviche bites are fresh and zesty, perfect for snacking while you enjoy the views. On Friday and Saturday nights, they bring in live DJs who keep the energy up without being too loud for conversation. The Infinity Edge bar design means you can sip your drink while taking in simultaneous views of the ocean and the twinkling lights of the area. All restaurants include vegetarian and gluten-free options, and the staff is well-trained to handle dietary restrictions. The all-inclusive package covers top-shelf liquor, premium wines, and craft cocktails, so you never have to worry about surprise bills. The pool and beach facilities at the Reef Coco Beach are genuinely spectacular, and they're often the first thing guests mention in their reviews. The resort features 3 distinct pool areas, each with its own character and purpose. The main infinity pool is the showstopper, an adults-only oasis spanning 1,200 square meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters. The Infinity Edge creates that stunning visual effect where the pool appears to blend seamlessly with the Caribbean Sea beyond. There's a swim-up bar right in the pool, so you can order your favorite cocktail without ever leaving the water. The pool deck is lined with comfortable loungers, and the staff circulates regularly with cool towels and water to keep you refreshed. The rooftop infinity pool is smaller at 300 square meters, but offers something special with its elevated views and integrated hot tubs. It's quieter up here, perfect for when you want a more intimate atmosphere. The third pool is designated as a quiet relaxation pool, where the vibe is more zen and the music is kept low. All pools are open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. year-round, with towel service included and poolside food and drink service available throughout the day. You can order from an a la carte menu without leaving your lounger. The pools are meticulously maintained, with water that's crystal clear and temperatures that are refreshing without being cold. Now let's talk about the beach, because this is where the Reef Coco Beach really earns its name. The resort has 300 meters of private beachfront on some of the most pristine white sand you'll find in the region. The sand is soft and powdery, without the pebbles or rocks that plague some Caribbean beaches. The water is that perfect turquoise color you see in postcards, calm and clear enough for swimming and snorkeling. The beach is never crowded, even during peak season, because the resort limits capacity to maintain that exclusive feel. Beach waiters patrol the sand regularly, taking drink and food orders so you never have to leave your spot. The resort provides complimentary kayaks and paddleboards for guests who want to explore the coastline. The snorkeling equipment is also free to use, and the staff can point you toward the best spots to see tropical fish and maybe even sea turtles. For something more adventurous, they offer catamaran excursions for an additional fee that take you further out to explore the reef systems. The beach setup includes plenty of palapas for shade, comfortable loungers with thick cushions, and even some beachfront dabs for those who want to nap in style. The gentle slope of the beach means you can walk quite far out into the water while still being able to touch the bottom, making it perfect for leisurely floating. Sunrise and sunset on this beach are absolutely magical, with colors that paint the sky in shades of pink, orange, and purple. Many guests report that the beach alone is worth the price of admission, and it's easy to see why when you're there with sand between your toes and a cold drink in your hand. Beyond the pools and beach, the Reef Coco Beach offers plenty of activities to keep you entertained throughout your stay. The fitness center is surprisingly well equipped for a boutique resort, open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. You'll find modern treadmills with ocean views, free weights ranging from light to heavy, yoga mats for stretching, Peloton bikes for cycling enthusiasts, and a functional training area with kettlebells and resistance bands. The space is bright and air-conditioned, making workouts comfortable even in the tropical heat. They offer complimentary yoga and Pilates classes daily, usually scheduled for early morning or sunset times when the temperature is most pleasant. The instructors are certified and welcoming to all skill levels, from complete beginners to advanced practitioners. If you want more personalized attention, personal training sessions are available for an additional fee. The weekly activity schedule includes beach volleyball games that get surprisingly competitive, aqua aerobics in the main pool that's more fun than it sounds, and various water sports that take advantage of the beautiful Caribbean setting. Tuesday through Sunday evenings bring live music performances, with talented local musicians playing everything from romantic boleros to upbeat salsa. The open-air theater hosts themed nights throughout the week, including salsa dancing lessons where the entertainment staff teaches basic steps before opening up the floor for practice. The fire shows are dramatic and skillfully performed, providing entertainment that feels authentically Mexican rather than touristy. For those interested in local culture, the resort occasionally organizes tequila and mezcal tasting sessions where you can learn about production methods and regional differences while sampling various expressions. During special times of year, they host elaborate events like New Year's Eve galas with special menus and champagne toasts at midnight, and Dia de Muertos celebrations that honor Mexican traditions with altars, face painting, and traditional foods. The entertainment never feels forced or cheesy, striking that perfect balance between organized fun and letting guests relax at their own pace. There's always something happening if you want to participate, but never any pressure if you'd rather just lounge by the pool with a book. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.